Hello dear, this is Carrie from Guangzhou SIPUXIN machinery here. Today I want to introduce the 200 liter vacuum emulsifier mixer. Okay, follow me. The top part is the agitator. The power is 1.5 kilowatt, and this part is the reducer to let the agitator speed to be adjustable. And this part is the vacuum gauge. This part is the SIP cleaning board. So when you need to clean the tank, you can connect the water pipe to turn on the ball valve to start cleaning the inside tank. After cleaning, you can turn on the ball valve to discharge the dirty water before your production or after your production. Okay, and this part is the air bridge. When you finish the vacuum, you can turn on the air bridge to let the tank keep balance. And this part is the spice booking. You can add another ingredients to the tank for the production. And this part is the inlet material. So you need to connect the hose pipe to transfer the material from the storage tank into the tank. And this part is the manhole. So you can rotation the tank and see the inside. And this part is the vacuum pipe. And this part is the positive pressure to connect the air compressor. For the positive pressure, discharge the material. So you just need to connect the air compressor. Okay, and this part is the seal cover. We use the flange to connect it, so the tank cannot up and down. And this part is the tank body. The tank body with 3 legs: inlet, middle leg, and outlet. This part is the handle, so you can move the tank as you wish. Okay, and this part is the bottle homogenizer. The bottle homogenizer, the power is the 4 kilowatt. And this part is the electric heating. Okay. So let me show the control panel. This part is the control panel. When you receive our machine, you need to connect the electric wires like this way. And this part is the electric part. We use the DC and ABB brands. This part is the frequency converter. Okay. So you can see that when you connect the power supplier, the machine will show on. And this one is the light. So you can turn on or turn off so that you can see the tank inside. And this part is the emergency stop. When the machine has problem or something problem, you can press the button to stop it. And this part is the voltage. And this part electric current. And this one is the homogenizer delay. It means that our homogenizer, the working time is the 5 minutes. And this part is the frequency converter. Okay, this part is the heating green button, on, off. This one is the heating on, off, because you can see that the 2 parts we use the electric heating. Okay, and this one is the mixer on, mixer off, homogenizer on and homogenizer off, vacuum pump on and vacuum pump off. This part is the standby. So all the green button corresponds to the each one green red button. So if this part or this part has something problem, you can use the standby to let the machine continue to work. Okay, so let me show the back of the part for you. This one is the vacuum pump. So before you turn off the vacuum pump, you need to connect the cooling water like this way. So the water inlet through the vent to through the water transfer pipe into the homogenizer to protect the mechanical sealing to cooling down the temperature, and the water will be let out through this way and discharge the water like this way. And this pipe is the vacuum pump pipe through the way. This side inside the tank, so you can turn on the vacuum pump and turn on the vent and close another vent and start to the vacuum. And this pipe is also need to connect the air compressor, because you need to connect the compressor to let the positive pressure to let the finished products discharge from the ball vent this way. So you can put the storage tank here to transfer the finished products. Okay. And let me show you how to operate the mixer and homogenizer. So when you need to turn on the agitator, you need to press the green button and turn the mixer to the right side. Then you can see that the agitator is working right now. And you can see the inside. The inside is a mixed scraper and side and bottom scraper with the Teflon scraper. Okay, now let me start the homogenizer. So you can press the green button and load the push the right side. The homogenizer is working right now. Okay, let me show how to start it. When you need to start it, you need to to let the homogenizer to be the 0 and the homogenizer to be the 0, and press the green button. Press the green button. Okay, like this way. So let me show the temperature for you. So this is the temperature gauge. So you can set the temperature. So now it's the 90. So you can reset the homogenizer or the temperature as you wish. So when the temperature reach to the temperature as you wish, after that you will be starting. This part is the heating. Okay. When you heating, you can see that the both sides we connect the electric lobes here. So you just need to connect the one side to connect the water pipe to let the water into the jacket. So when the jacket water full, the water will be let out on this side. So when you need to heat the temperature, so the water will let out, then you can start it. So you can turn on the heating 1 or heating 2 to start the heating. So you can use the heating both together, or you use one side is okay, as you wish. And when you need to cooling the temperature, you need to connect the water pipe, let the water inside the jacket, and let the water to water out continue about 30 minutes. So the temperature will be go down. Okay, this is the whole set, heating and cooling together. Regarding the vacuum pump, let me share the more details for you. As I told you that you need to connect the cooling water like this way, and the cooling water will be inlet through the storage wall and the pipe through the tap. So you need to turn on the vacuum vent and close the manhole like this way, and close the air bridge vent, close the spicy food, and also close the inlet, and start to pressure the vacuum and green button. So you can see the vacuum gauge.
Okay, you can start it. Press the red button.
Okay, this is the whole set operation to show the 200 liter vacuum emulsifier for your checking here. If you have any more details, information, please contact with us here. Our SIPUXIN 23 years experience original factory here with sincerity forever. Bye bye.